Welcome again to Roxania Speaks. Happy New Year to all my subscribers. Thank you for joining us, and for those persons who are trotting with me, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, I know I have not been posting a lot. I had some issues with my device, but I'm just doing the short one for you today. So you guys know, for those who don't know, I'm pregnant, soon to pop. And so for my shower, I did an online shower, yes, and I also did a baby registry on Amazon. And so when you sign up for your baby registry on Amazon, you actually get a free gift, right? You get a box, but because it has to travel all the way to Jamaica, of course they had to ship it inside this box. But this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be going through some of the stuff. Yeah, I'm going to go through some of the stuff that I got and to show you. So if you sign up for a baby registry on Amazon, Amazon actually sends you a gift box, and for me it is a gift bag, right? So I'm going to go through some of the stuff that they sent. Yeah, all right, so that is what this video is about. So of course, so this is one of the gifts I got. Let me open it for you. I'll be opening everything that I have so you guys can see. So I got a Carter's onesie, cute, with lions and hippo on it, and turtle like a little safari. And this is a 3 to 6 months shirt. So this is cute for baby. And for those who don't know the sex of the baby, there's also a video. I'll list that in the description below. Yeah. And I also got this. I think it's a burp cloth. I think there was something that came with it. Let me open it and show you. So this is a burp cloth. Kind of matches the ones that I got. So when you're feeding baby, you put it over your shoulder and you put him on. Right? So a burp cloth. And this is from Comfy Cubs. Yeah. Also, of course, I got some diapers. This is 3 in the package, up to 14 pounds / 6 kg. So 3 Huggies diaper. Yes, guys. Again, these are all sample size stuff. And I have some water wipes. The most delicate skin needs the world's purest wipe. So yes, I have this. Let me open it, show you what it looks like. So it's a travel size. I'm sure I'm going to need more than this in the hospital, but I will definitely walk with it. So this is a travel size wipes. What else is in my bag? What else is in my bag? Okay. All right. And this is a baby bottle from the brand Mam. Hope you can see it. So I'm going to open it. says ideal easy start anticolic plus start pacifier, ideal combining with breastfeeding, flat soft nipple shaped like mom's nipple during breastfeeding, and it's 0 months. So of course, newborn, reduces air bubbles and colic for a comfortable feeding for both you and your baby. And they say you get a bonus start pacifier inside. Yeah, so let's see what's in it. So I said I open everything here so you can see. So this is the bottle, guys. Very tiny, and it is so cute. There's a little teddy bear on the front here. So I open it and the pacifier is on the inside. Of course, I'm going to have to wash and sterilize. So cute. Look at it. It's cute. So cute. So of course, newborn babies can drink a lot. So as you see, this is up to about 4 ounces. Yeah. Alright. So this is the bottle from the Mam brand. Yeah. This is what the nipple looks like. Flat. Yeah. So, bottle. Hi guys, so I left this information out. So for you to be eligible to receive a welcome box, you'll have to be an Amazon Prime member, as well as you'd have to buy a gift from your registry. The checklist that they ask you to do, which is over $10, which does not include shipping. Also, there will be a $35 charge that may come up on your account while checking out, but once you start to make payment or apply your credit card information, you'll realize that it's $0 that is charged to you, so you'll not pay that $35, even though it seems as if you will pay for it. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description below as it relates to the frequently asked questions, so you can go there and look through all the possible questions that you may have as it relates to getting a welcome box. And yes guys, it's pretty easy, so I'd encourage you to sign up. All right, what else did I get in my gift bag? I got a miniature Avena lotion. This can take with me to the hospital. Travel size. Yeah. I also got Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo. Yeah. Travel size again. I can take this. And this is the diaper rash cream. This is the Aquaphor. So another travel size. Of course I'm going to need more than this, but I can take it with me. Still, big up yourself, Amazon. Yeah. Also, it's winding down. I have prenatal formula, Smarty Pants. This is a sample packet, of course. It has 2 gummies in there, multi and omega-3, folate for fetal development, vitamin D3 for immunity, vitamin B12 for energy, vitamin K for bones. And it's lemon, orange, strawberry, banana, and other natural flavors. Non-GMO. So this is what it looks like. So this is a sample vitamin. Prenatal vitamins. Also, there is the Drift Stage 1 newborn laundry detergent. So I bought the big bottle of the wash, and so I got this one so I can start using this to wash up baby clothes to take to the hospital. Yeah, so this is it. Sample size, drift. So with using this now, I'll definitely know how much I need. And the coming stages, guys, you have stage 1 and then you have another one based on this bottle. So one for newborn and one for more active baby. And the booster, I have the booster as well. So I'll show you that when I'm doing my the stuff that I got for my shower. I'll do that, as well as when I'm doing my baby clothes haul. Time is winding down, guys, so expect a lot more videos coming out in the next couple of weeks. So this is the detergent. What else do I have? And also I got Hydrolyte Immune System Boost, bursting with electrolytes including zinc for rehydration and fortified with 100 megagrams of vitamin C to support your immune system. So it is an immune system booster, and it's citrus bursts first. So I have one packet to make like 1 cup of drink. Yeah, you kind of feel sick, and so you know, overwork, you might not be getting any sleep when the baby comes. You can use this. And I think that's it, guys. Let me see if I got any coupons. So this is the burp cloth that I got before. Organic bamboo burp cloth. That's the brand, right? The one that I showed you before. I also, wait guys, there's one more thing. Here is what do you call this now? Let Your Milk Flow Upspring Milk Flow and Electrolytes breastfeeding supplement, and this is in the berry flavor, so it's supposed to help your milk flow. I hope this works for me, because the last time I had issues. So this is it. So based on how this is, you know, I'll actually buy the entire supplement. So this seems interesting. So this is the berry, the coupon for the vitamins, the prenatal vitamins that I tell you. So I got this coupon with it. Also, this is not a coupon, but well, Cetaphil, and this is for, of course, the formula. So this is a coupon for the Enfamil. So sometimes the baby might need top up. Your breast milk might not come down as though you want it to, and so you probably have to top up. So I have a coupon which I will definitely be using for the time. So guys, that is all that is inside my bag. I don't know, you can tell me for other persons who did their Amazon baby registry. You can tell me about it. Did you get the same items? Did you get any additional items? Or did you get, you know, less stuff? Whatever it is that you got, you can share it with me. And yeah, as I promised, the video is short. So guys, if you do sign up for baby registry on Amazon, you do get a gift package, and so this is what is inside of it. All right, so thank you, Amazon, for gifting me with this package. And guys, if you don't if you're not a subscriber, please to subscribe, please to turn on post notification bell, so when of course I upload a video, you know, and you watch out the video. And also please to like, share, comment, ask questions, man. be active. All right, my vocal squad. So thanks again, guys. I'll be giving you an update soon and very soon on baby, because yes, I soon time, very soon. All right, so thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.